Hi, Room 4 families. We are going to go over the November packet. So each group is going to have their group calendar. One thing I want to point out is we do not have school November 11th. Happy Veterans Day. And then the 9th through the 20th, it's going to be a 1:30 dismissal for the entire school because we have parent-teacher conferences. So, as you can see, everybody's Zooming all Mondays. Group A is coming to school Tuesday and Thursday. Group B is coming to school Wednesday, Friday. All right, I'm using PJ's as an example for his November journal. And again, they need to be holding the pencil and they need to be trying their best to write. I know that it's hard, but it should be getting easier. I have seen a ton of improvement on the kids who are doing this consistently. Their handwriting is getting so much better. So I know that it's really hard, and what I like to tell them when they're struggling is, you know, not being able to write is not going to be an option for you in life. You have to be able to write. So I know that it's hard, but it's one of those things that you just have to push through and do. Okay, so lots of it's Thanksgiving. For Thanksgiving dinner, what do you eat if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving? They could imagine. On Thanksgiving Day, who comes to visit? And these are just ideas for the word bank. They don't have to do that. I am thankful for, a turkey has. They could write about the different parts of a turkey. So a lot of it is just turkey themed, Veterans Day themed, or Thanksgiving themed about pies and whatnot. And for your work this week, there is an H tree. If it's an H, it goes in the tree. If it's not an H, it goes in the dirt. The H sound sort, heart, yes, plane, no, ladybug, no, hammer, yes, hand, yes, shovel, no, elephant, no, horse, yes. And for the it sight word page, so they put their name on their paper, they trace it 3 times, they write it 3 times, they color it 3 times, cross out all the words that are not it, circle the words that is. Again, it's really important that they're crossing out the words that are not it. That's a test-taking skill that if they practice in kindergarten, by the time they take the standardized test in 3rd grade, they're going to be all set. The I for ice cream, the long I sound, T for turtle. So those are the pages. Hopefully it's getting easier with just doing the 3 pages. I know September we gave a lot of work, and our thoughts on that were we would rather them have too much stuff than not enough. But you know, with only doing one journal page a day, one of these English language arts a day, and then one for, math front and back, that it would be really doable for them. So for November 2nd through the 6th, which is that first week of November, for Monday, they're going to trace Johnny Appleseed all the way to 10, trace their numbers. And then after they've traced their numbers, they're going to try to write it on their own. So this would be the Monday page. Either Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on your schedule, it would be this page. Now they're writing to 20. And tracing to 20. Probably that they could start with this tracing page, so trace and then write on their own. And then for either Thursday or Friday, depending on their schedule, they're counting the apples and then writing the number of apples at the bottom. And the back page as well with 5 through 10, so going to be more apples. The reason we do a lot of tracing at the beginning is because when they're doing a math problem such as, like, you know, counting or addition or subtraction, I don't want them worrying about, like, how do I write the number 5? I don't want that being a stumbling block for them. So we're practicing a lot of letter formation and number formation right now to help them later on. All right, thank you for watching.